outside! You dork. Okay, I'll let you in. What are you doing? You're not supposed to be outside. Come on. Come on. Making a big deal about being outside. Come on, kitty kitty. Get inside. You're about to get, oh, no. What are you going to do now? He went away. You guys have to see our sunset. Oh, never mind. Not really showing up on the camera. But it's really pretty. And Oreo is still outside. Almost outside. I'm going to go bake some cookies.